What's up, everyone? It's Hey John, and I jabber opportunities nonstop. Welcome back. It's a great Christmas. I hope everyone had a great time. I had a great time spending time with my family and friends, and hopefully you guys are all safe. But guess what? It is time to go back to the grind to see what cryptocurrency is doing. I'll be covering Bitcoin, Evergrow coin, and news to see where the cryptocurrency markets are headed. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Hey guys, I have a fantastic offer from WEBULL. All you gotta do is use my link down below in the description, create an account, and deposit any amount. That means even $1, and you will get 5 stocks valued up to $8,000. The only catch is that you have to make an account before December 31st, 2021. So what are you waiting for? Jump on it and do not miss this very generous opportunity from WEBULL. All right, guys, this is why I continuously emphasize to focus on the fundamentals of any cryptocurrency you choose to invest into, whether it's Bitcoin, Evergrow coin, Dogecoin, etc., etc. Because many folks like to focus on all-time high and where we are currently. If you see the market this way, this means you're seeing the market as glass half empty. Now, why don't you zoom out a little bit and see where the market was a year ago to right now? That is called glass half full. And in my opinion, that is a way better way to look at things, because when you see where it was and where it is currently, that is a much better gauge and a better barometer of how healthy the cryptocurrency market is. And let me go ahead and demonstrate some examples to you guys. All right, folks, check this out here from Blockworks here. Price of the top 10 cryptos last Christmas: Bitcoin, $23,000, Ethereum, $600, Binance Coin, $33, Solana, $1.45, Cardano, 15 cents, Ripple, 31 cents, Dogecoin, 0.04 cents. So ladies and gentlemen, if you look at Bitcoin today, even if you're bearish and you're fighting it, you're saying, oh my God, it's going back to $30,000, whatever. Ladies and gentlemen, even if Bitcoin goes back to $30,000, worst case scenario, I'm not saying it will happen, but I'm saying even if it does, Bitcoin is still higher than where it was on December of 2020. Of course, obviously, I'm one day late because this is a day after Christmas, but regardless, you get the point though. So make sure you get your mindset right for 2022, because ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna see some amazing gains coming on. From 2020 to 2021, we're seeing Bitcoin 2x, Ethereum literally go about 6.5x. Dogecoin is up 47.5x. So with that being said, 2022 is going to be an epic year, and ladies and gentlemen, get ready for those big fat gains. They're coming, folks. It's a matter of when and not if. All right, folks, let's go ahead and cover some news here. Fauci says COVID cases will go much higher as Omicron spread continues, warns against getting complacent. COVID tests are in short supply. Here's where you might still find them for free. Ladies and gentlemen, seeing those headlines and that news, this tells me that we're going to see Bitcoin pull back, and the stock markets on Monday, when it opens up, it'll probably pull back as well due to this quote unquote bad news. But it should be no surprise to you that we're gonna see a peak in the cases and then it'll come back down. It's gonna be like clockwork. With all that being said, at least you have a better idea of what's coming on Monday. And I'm assuming that based on this news here, we may see a pullback. And that's okay, folks, not a big deal. Because as I said before, these pullbacks are just overreactions. Ladies and gentlemen, do not forget, we have policies and procedures in place now where we can actually deal with this pandemic. So do not be too concerned, folks. Of course, be cautious and be safe, but just know that it is a passing event. It is not going to be here forever. Go ahead and smash that subscribe and like button so you can help support the channel. Okay, folks, let's go ahead and cover the Bitcoin charts from a daily perspective. As of this recording, Bitcoin is at $50,291. Currently, we can see Bitcoin is trading below the support line again at $50,722. That shouldn't be too surprising, as we're seeing the bad news being rolled up on the headlines. But ladies and gentlemen, I want to emphasize that this is a temporary case here. In my opinion, there is no need to fear this pullback because in my opinion, it's just an overreaction and a pullback. I know I have emphasized this point many times already, but it is just to get the point across because many people are fighting their own investments and they do not understand that this is a temporary movement because this is a personal mentality, whether you see the glass as half full or half empty. Now look at Bitcoin. We're still trading below the Agora reactionary ribbon, and that's fine, folks. We've given back the support. Remember, in my previous video, I said we need to see Bitcoin trade at least 3 days above the $50,722 support line in order for us to validate that this resistance is now a support. Clearly, we're not doing this because, as you know, we are not out of the woodworks. There are still many outside events that are greater than cryptocurrency still affecting it. If we zoom out, we can see we're still trading at the upper portion of the support/resistance line. And we're still on track to see the consolidation before we see a possible cup and handle formation. I'm hoping many of you individuals can see that Bitcoin is still on a very bullish trajectory, given where it was literally 1 year ago in the previous Christmas of last year. And if you look at it closely, we're actually seeing a new uptrend line. However, if we break through that, then you know what? We may just see some more sideways consolidation, but currently we're in an uptrend right now on a daily perspective. It is just starting. There's no guarantee that it'll hold or go on. We do have some very bullish news on Bitcoin. The country of Turkey is looking to replace their fiat currency with Bitcoin being the backer. I believe Turkey has over 80% loss in their fiat currency. And do not forget, folks, we have El Salvador being the pioneer, the first country in the world to become Bitcoin backed. And they are, of course, using the Lightning Network to do all of their transactions because, as you know, Bitcoin is a very slow and very expensive transaction. So now we're seeing Turkey follow suit and being the next country to follow this adoption here. Now, we all know Bitcoin is the gold standard because it's a great storage of value. As far as I know, I've never heard of Bitcoin being hacked. I've heard of everyone else getting hacked, Microsoft, Google, Apple, but Bitcoin, as far as I know, it has not. Now, however, though, there have been exchanges where Bitcoin was held onto and then that exchange got hacked, but Bitcoin specifically, not as far as I know. And that is testament to how strong the proof of work concept is. Yes, it's energy intensive, but it's very secure. If you guys want to get up to $250 in Bitcoin, go ahead and use my BlockFi link down below in the description. Evergrow coin is showing some bullish news as well. Over the last 24 hours, we have burned 207,312,000,000 Evergrow coins. Evergrow coin currently has 116,990 hodlers. Check this out here, folks. Altcoin index currently at 45. So we can see the Evergrow coin team was still working even on Christmas, because we can see that they have used their team wallets to buy over $100,000 worth of Evergrow coin. That is a significant buyback and burn from the actual team wallets. So this means that they are using their quote-unquote own salaries to support our token. So why wouldn't you guys show the same support to them, folks? We can see we're still increasing hodlers every single day. The altcoin index is currently at 45, and that is phenomenal, folks, because previously it was around 37, so we increased 8 points. Now, what is altcoin season? Essentially, the top 50 altcoins outperform Bitcoin. That is how this is measured. So we're currently about halfway there. We have only 30 more points to go, and we are in altcoin season. Let's go ahead and cover the Evergrow coin charts on the 15-minute perspective. So ladies and gentlemen, I've been calling out the 6782 as a resistance, and now it's looking to be a support. And I would say this is confirmed because we saw a huge $133,000 buy on December 25th, 2021 at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Now, why is this significant? Is because we're seeing the Evergrow coin team actually using, I would say, in my opinion, technical analysis to do the buyback to confirm the bullish momentum. Now, if we zoom into the chart, we can see where the Evergrow coin team used a technical analysis to buy back and burn and to create a positive momentum. We can see on December 25th, 2021 at 5:15 a.m., there was a $93,000 sell. They literally bought at 6782 and create this massive candlestick, and they were using my pink line as a support. Now, could this be coincidence? Absolutely. But at this exact number, I don't know, folks. Call me a skeptic, but I'm pretty sure they watch my videos, and that's why they know what the heck they're doing. Okay, folks, now I want to zoom back out to give you a better view of what's going on. So we had a downward channel. We broke through it. We consolidated at the upper portion of the resistance at 6782. We've broken through it with some volume confirmation over 130K. And now we're continuing to trade above the support line, and we are heading towards 7450, folks. Now, if we can break 7450, we can get up to 8648, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a fantastic chart. It is currently in an upward trend. We're seeing the Evergrow coin team using my charting technical analysis to drive this further to the moon. I like that. We are trading solidly up and slowly over time, which is fantastic. That is also what you want. You don't want to see a fast spike, because a fast spike up means an even faster spike down. That's called pump and dump. We are trading gradually up, slowly over time, up and up and up. This means that people who are waiting for these dips, well, these dips are becoming higher lows every single time. And it is supporting a narrative that Evergrow coin is fundamentally very bullish. Now, why do I say fundamentally very bullish? Because, simply put, they have utility at the base of their whole project. We're going to see multiple games. We're going to see a wallet. We're going to see a NFT platform. We're going to see play to earn games. We're going to see all sorts of things, folks, coming out. And the biggest one that we have no idea about currently is the metaverse. And I suspect we will get more information regarding that in 2022. If you want $25 in crypto.com, use my referral code, link down below in the description. Go ahead and leave a comment down below with the keyword bullish, because I want to know who are the real ones and who is going to make bank in 2022. So everyone, please stay safe. Have a fantastic day, and I will catch you all on the next one.